here with Nigel Atherton at XYZ Machine Tool showroom in Tiverton. However, there is some breaking news because Nigel, your showroom that's in Sheffield is now moving to Rotherham. So why is this?
Well, we wanted a bigger showroom and we wanted to put our 5-axis machine in there, which was quite important to us.
Okay, so what's this going to do for your customers then?
Well, it'll give them a chance to see more machines in a nicer environment. We're on the AMRC site, so we'll have good footfall from engineering companies that are going there.
So by the sounds of it, you've had a good year so far, considering the circumstances.
We've had a fantastic year. I expected to make losses, but we've made profit and we're very, very happy considering what's going on in the world.
Well, of course. And you know, you previously, we know that, and it's quite exciting, people talk about it, you've done an ExDemo Sale when you've moved showrooms. Are you still going to do this?
Yes, we're going to do that. We're going to clear all the machines out of our current Sheffield site, and when we move to Rotherham, we'll put all brand new machinery in there.
So the question on everybody's lips is, what can we expect from the ExDemo Sale?
Discounts. All the machines in there, turning centres, machining centres, Prototrack mills, Pro-turn lathes, they'll all be for sale at ex-demo prices, and just get in touch with us through the website, email or telephone.